Hey, Ronnie here from USA Digi and ronnierokk.com. So today we're going to be reviewing the product called Aurora, a software / top-notch training product. So this product's put up by Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong, and we're going to be going over in the members area. As you can see here, we're on the members area, so we'll go over that. We'll also go over the sales page a little bit, and my bonuses and what you can receive if you pick this up using my link. Okay, so we're gonna go over the members area. As you can see, we're on this page now. We'll go over that in a moment. But first of all, I'm gonna take you on my bonus page and let you see what I have for bonuses for this offer. So this is a complete system that automates webinars, right? And generates massive traffic simultaneously to your big ticket offers. Now, after I show you my bonuses on this bonus page here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a diagram, kind of an infographic, and kind of give you a better idea of what this software does and how it all works. So I'm just going to scroll down here, guys. Go ahead and click on any of these yellow buttons on the page. I have 3 of them. One on the top up here under the review video, one under the demo video, and all the way to the bottom of the page. So we're going to go over the exclusive bonuses. We're going to come back to the upsells a little bit later, but right now let's go over the bonuses that I'm giving away here. So bonus number 1 is Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. So we're going to be using Instagram and Pinterest here. So I have a little bit more extra stuff about Instagram. Since you also have the option of using AdWords with the software, I thought that it would be cool for you to have Bing Ads mastery training as well. I would also probably check out Yahoo as far as their ads. So bonus number 3 is crazy traffic explosion. Just some other ways to get more traffic. Bonus number 4 is ultimate traffic mantra. Again, more ways to get more traffic. And bonus number 5 is software biz in a box. So this is 3 softwares that you can also start a little side project with if you choose to do that. Okay, so all of these are worth $738. Make sure you claim my bonuses before the timer runs out, guys. I usually run this for 3 days. It's showing 6 days here because the product hasn't launched yet, but when it launches, you'll see 3 days on this timer. Okay, so make sure if you want to get my bonuses to go ahead and click on these buttons before that timer runs out. Also, instant bonus delivery, guys. This is going to be inside of your Warrior Plus account since this is launching on Warrior Plus. And let me show you right quick on how to find your downloads. Okay, I'm going to click on my dashboard here. So you click on this drop down box and you click on purchase history. Okay, once you click on that, you'll see the product that you purchased. Click on Aurora. You'll see 2 buttons on that page. It'll be a green button and a blue button. The green button will be to access the training area. The blue button will contain the bonuses that I'm offering on this product. Okay, so one more time, guys, just make sure you use any of the yellow buttons here on my bonus page. Okay, we're going to come back to the price points. Let's go to the sales page right quick. Okay, so the headline reads, game-changing software automates 1,000 commissions. Okay, so like I discussed earlier, you're going to be using webinars, high-ticket webinars, created by professional guru marketers, right? And basically the software automates the traffic to these webinars to get you paid. So let me bring up this image that I created for you to give you a better general idea of how this actually works. Basically, this works in 2 parts, right? You're gonna have your traffic sources and you're gonna have your high converting offer page. So you're gonna be using Pinterest and Instagram, and on your profiles, okay, you're gonna have multiple profiles on Pinterest and Instagram. People are going to read your bio because they're going to be interested that you are now following them. That's pretty much how the software is going to work. It's going to follow people of the higher rank status, and they're going to read your bio because they're interested. Who just followed me? Who is this person? So they're going to read that and they're going to click your link in that bio, right? That's going to lead over here to your high converting webinar. So they're going to watch the video and they're going to love it because it's professionally made, and they're going to click that button. And when they click that button, you get paid, right? right? So usually the pitch is towards a little bit past the middle, towards the end of the video. So you're gonna have to find that. It's real easy to do. To show you in the training. Once you find that, then you're gonna buy button's actually gonna appear when they start delivering the pitch. Okay, and these high ticket offers are usually between $400 to $1,000, sometimes $2,000 in commissions for you. I just hooked one up. It was like $747, I think it was, for my commission. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the sales page a little bit more. So we read the headline here. We understand what that means. Here is the sales video. If you scroll further down here, you can check out the demo video right here, kind of see a better idea of how it works. Okay, you're going to be using free traffic. That's right. Once you set up your accounts. Okay, I'm not going to read this whole sales page. You can do that on your own time. It would be silly for me to sit here and read it to you. That would be boring. So yeah, go ahead and read this page, guys. Read everything on here. Check it all out, all right? Let's go ahead and head to the members area now, and we'll briefly discuss that. So we're in the pro version here of Aurora. If you have the basic version, you won't see pro version up here. And we have 6 modules in the pro version. Basically, the difference is you're going to get access and training with the Pinterest side, using Pinterest as traffic. If you upgrade to the pro version, which I recommend because you're going to have more traffic options, then you're going to get the training with the Instagram stuff and how to get that all set up. Okay, so of course you have an introduction video here. In the second module, you have a little bit more kind of shows you how it all works. In module 3, you're going to learn how to set it up, right? And you have another evergreen option here, which is pretty cool. Module number 4, you're going to be setting up your snowmobile. I like how he names these things in here. It's pretty funny. I think I might start doing that with my courses. But 2 videos in here, right? This is the pro version, as you can see. So you'll have setting up your snowmobile. You should have that in the basic version, and this is where the pro version videos come in. Loading your snowmobile and turning the key. You'll have 2 videos in this module. And then module 6 here, you'll have 4 videos. And then module 6 here, you'll have 4 videos, and this is going to show you about pixels, setting up retargeting, and creating Aurora ads. Okay, so really cool stuff. Okay, so let's go over the upsells and the price points right quick. So this goes live again May 25th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The front end is going to be $27.97. I'm not going to read these descriptions, guys. You can go ahead and do that on my bonus page. I'm just going to go over the OTOs right quick. OTO 1 is the pro version. It's going to be $67. OTO 2 is going to be $197. This is the done for you stuff. OTO 3 is $197. This is limitless traffic, where you can actually put a pixel from Google or Facebook, whichever one you use, on their sales pages, which generates a ton of traffic. So you'll have really good retargeting traffic there. OTO 4 is license rights, so you can sell Aurora as your own. Okay, again, guys, check out my bonuses on here. Make sure the timer is still active and go ahead and click any of these yellow buttons on this page. Okay, so that about wraps up this video review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision if you think that this software and training will help you in your business. I'm Rokk Smith with USA Digi and ronnierokk.com. And guys, happy marketing. Oh! All the blood is rushing to my head. Hurry up. Click another video.